Hello student. Today in this video we are going to learn about prime factor and prime factorization. We have already learned about various type of numbers. Prime number, composite number. Here a factor of a given number is called a prime factor if this factor is a prime number. Now what is prime number? Number which have only two factors, 1 and number itself. If the factors of a given number is a prime number, then this is known as prime factors of a given number. Example 15, 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Also 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. Therefore 3 and 5 are prime factor of 15. 30, 2, 3, 5 are the factors of 30 and also 2, 3, 5 are the prime number. Therefore 2, 3, 5 are prime factors. 21, 3 and 7. 3 and 7 both are prime numbers. Therefore 3 and 7 are the prime factor of 21. Prime factorization. Prime factorization or complete factorization of the given number is to express a number as a product of prime factor. When we express the number as the product of prime factor, like 30, here we express number as the product of prime numbers. Product of prime numbers means 2 into 3 into 5. All are prime numbers and we express 30 as the product of prime numbers. This is known as prime factorization. Now, here two ways to solve factorization. One is refactor method and the other one is by dividing method. For example, find the prime factorization of each of the following numbers. First 32 and 120. 32. This is refactor method and this is dividing method. In refactor method, first 32. 32 comes from 2 times 16. Right? Here I circle 2 as a prime number. Now 16 is composite number. So again I split 16. 2 times 8. 2. Again circle 2 as a prime number and 8 is a composite number. Again 2 times 4 is equal 8. Again 4 is a composite number. So 2 2s are 4. Here I have found all the prime factors of 32. This is refactor method. Now by dividing method. First we divide the number by the smallest prime number, okay, which divides 32 exactly. So smallest prime number 2. Here 2 16s are 32. Right? Next we divide the quotient again by the smallest or the next smallest prime number. If it is not exactly divisible by the smallest prime number, then we divide the number with next smallest prime number. So here 16 is divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16. Next 8 is again divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8. 4 2 2s are 4. So we repeat the process again till the quotient become 1. Student, always remember we use only prime numbers to divide. Okay. Now prime factorization of 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Right? We multiply all the prime factors and remember the product is the number itself. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So the product of the number itself means 32, and we write it as 2 raised to the power 5. Example 120. 120 split into two parts. 2 times 60 is equal 120. 2, circle 2 as a prime number. 60. 60 is a composite number, so 2 times 30 is equal 60. Again 2, circle as a prime number. 30 is a composite number. 2 15s are 30. Here 15 composite number. 3 5s are 15. Right? Here we have found all the prime factors of 120. By dividing method, first divide 120 by the smallest prime number. Okay. So 2 260s are 120. Again 60 is also divisible by 2. So 2 30s are 60. 30 is divisible by 2. Next 2 15s are 30. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. So we divide 15 by the next smallest prime number, that is 3. 3 5s are 15. Now 5 1s are 5. Okay. We repeat the process till the quotient becomes 1. Now prime factorization of 120 is equal, here 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. And we write it as 2 raised to the power 3 or 2 cubed into 3 into 5. So student, that was all about prime factor and prime factorization.